Hi everyone, welcome to PC Error Detective. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to use Adobe Acrobat, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to manage, edit, and share your PDF files easily. Step 1. Open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. You can do this by double-clicking the Acrobat icon on your desktop or searching for it in your Start menu. And this is the first step to access all PDF tools. Step 2. Click on the three-line hamburger menu in the top left corner and select Open to choose the PDF you want to work with. This menu helps you quickly find and load any PDF from your computer. Step 3. Use the toolbar at the top to navigate through your document. You can scroll through pages, zoom in or out, and move quickly to the sections you need, which makes reading and reviewing PDFs much easier. Step 4. To edit text or images, click on Edit PDF in the right-hand pane. This tool allows you to modify content directly in the document, making corrections or updates without needing the original file. Step 5. Add comments or annotations by selecting Comment from the toolbar. This is perfect for marking important notes, highlighting sections, or collaborating with others on the same PDF. Step 6. Use Organize Pages to reorder, delete, or rotate pages in your PDF. This feature is very useful when you need to rearrange the flow of a document or remove unnecessary pages. Step 7. Save your changes by clicking the three-line hamburger menu and then Save or Save As for a new copy. Always saving ensures you don't lose your edits and keeps your PDF updated. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tutorials.